Francis?
Sorry?
Is Uncle Tommy home?
There's Maggie there.
Tommy? Why you not calling me?
Hello?
Tommy?
Hello?
Yeah?
Hello?
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 Hello? Hello, Francis?
Hello?
Yeah, hey!
Hello?
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 Senor?
Hello?
Hello, you like seaweed salad?
Hello?
You want pot fried rice and dumpling? To go?
Hello?
To go? Francis? Hello? Hello, can you go? Hello? Francis? Hello? Oh, you're there. Hello. Francis? Oh, he hung up.
He did get one last hello in.
What?